Hi everyone, this is a really quick video on how you use service discovery with the new tools release 9.2.2.4 in JD Edwards. So I've got my orchestration screen open here, and then I've got a series of orchestrations, and when I choose one of these orchestrations, for example call data, I can see that I've got two parameters for that particular endpoint, and send message I have two for that particular endpoint. But what if I want to perform service discovery and see these all in a easier to download format? So what I need to do is go to the same URL as we have for our orchestration client, but look at discovery. Control copy. So let's have a go at that. DIS discover. And when I do that, I can say that the credentials are missing or ignored based on the configuration. And I remember that I have to use basic authentication to use this functionality. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start my simple REST client plugin in my Chrome browser. I'm going to grab the same URL that I put here. And what I need to do is put an authorization header in here. I'm going to spell that the American way. It's going to be basic authentication, and I have to generate a token. What I'll do for there is just Google basic authentication headers generator, and I go to the first URL here, and you can see I can type in my JD Edwards username into this website. So that's Shannon M, and this is a temporary password for all you hackers out there. So I'm going to generate a header based upon that username and password. Fantastic. I'll go back to my simple REST client here to go to my HTTP Fusion 5 IoT, blah blah blah, and then I'm going to hit send. And what that's done is actually executed the discover process against my AIS server, and it showed me all of the endpoints that are available to me. So this list here essentially matches what I've got in my orchestration client here. So if I was to look for one of my more complicated ones with an array input, call data, I can go to here, I can choose call data, and I can see that I have my inputs, which is string to match 1, string to match 2, and that's an array of strings. So that's a pretty quick demonstration of how you use the new service discovery in 9.2.2.4. Thank you for listening, and I'll try and turn this off.